Now on Radio 4, the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 1725 on Saturday the 5th of November. There are warnings of gales in German Bight, Humber, Thames, Fitzroy, Seoul, Shannon, Rockall and southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at midday. Atlantic low expected western Rockall 974 by midday tomorrow. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sira, south at Sira. Southwesterly becoming cyclonic, then southeasterly later 3 to 5, increasing 6 for a time. Rain or showers, good, occasionally moderate. 40s, Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger. South or southwest 4 to 6, veering west 3 or 4 for a time. Rain, good, occasionally moderate. Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames. Westerly 4 or 5, backing southwesterly 5 to 7, increasing gale 8 in south except in Fisher. Rain or drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Dover, White. Southwest 5 to 7, rain or drizzle, thundery showers later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Portland, Plymouth. West or southwest 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Rain or drizzle, then thundery showers. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Biscay. Southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later in north. Rain or thundery showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Fitzroy, westerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8 later in north. Rain or thundery showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Seoul, southwest 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet. West or southwest 5 to 7, thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Irish Sea, southwest 4 to 6, thundery showers, good.